Hi everyone, I want to provide you with some helpful tips that will ensure your salespeople will be successful while engaging customers with Rapid RTC Live Dealer. To ensure that every salesperson has the best opportunity to convert a chat into a live dealer experience, we want to ensure or verify that your sales team has the most compatible browser for their device. For Apple users utilizing iPhones, iPads, or macOS, Safari should be the default. For non-Apple users or devices such as Windows or Android, Chrome is your go-to. If you need any support to confirm your salespeople's configuration on their devices, please reach out to our dealer care team to help you get this set up. Now, we would also like to review some best practice scenarios to help your salespeople seamlessly transition a chat into a live dealer discussion.
So I'm speaking to this customer online, and they're interested in knowing the difference between two vehicles. How would you best recommend I transition this into a voice call?
I'd recommend using a transitional sentence such as, "Would you like to discuss these options via voice? I can send you an invite that will allow us to have a conversation through this chat." But before you even click on that blue button and invite that customer into a live dealer discussion, we recommend just making sure you check your microphone and your speakers to ensure all those are working, and obviously be aware of your environment and your surroundings before getting into that live dealer discussion.
Awesome, I'm looking forward to using this.
I have a customer that wants to review their payment options. What is the best way of doing this through Live Dealer?
We recommend utilizing our screen sharing feature, which allows you to share key information with that customer while on your desktop device, all while utilizing the voice, one or two-way video components within Live Dealer. Now, a good transitional statement or sentence you can tell the customer is, "I can certainly review those payment options with you. How about I share my screen?"
Great.
Yeah. And now obviously before we even offer that to the customer, we want to make sure that we are all set up and ready to go. So let's make sure we preload those tabs in our application windows so that the experience for you and the customer is nothing but seamless and premium. And last but not least, as you click on that share screen button within the Live Dealer application, make sure you're clicking on application window rather than the monitor or the tab.
Thanks.
I have a customer who's interested in a particular feature of a vehicle we have on the lot. What would be the best way to engage with that customer?
So the best way is to actually show them through our video feature within Live Dealer. But before we do that, we want to make sure the customer even knows that this option is available to them. So we want to explain to them this whole process. And once that is done, then we can simply invite that customer into a Live Dealer discussion by clicking on that blue button to inject a Live Dealer discussion. During that conversation, you might actually start on your desktop device and your video camera's enabled, everything's going well, but then they're going to maybe ask, "Hey, do you have the vehicle that I can look at?" And you say, "Yes, of course." And at that point, you're going to have to transfer the conversation to your mobile device. And to do that, you click on the transfer button within the Live Dealer application, which then immediately sends a notification to your mobile phone, where you can then seamlessly pick up the conversation and carry on again on your mobile device and completing a vehicle walk around for that customer.
As I'm talking to the customer, they're getting more interested in the vehicle. They may mention that they have a trade-in. How would you recommend I handle that?
So just as you have the ability to show your video, the customer has the exact same capabilities. And to do this, they simply need to click on the same button that you have actually, which is, enable video, and they can then proceed to showing you their vehicle trade-in. We encourage you to continue using Rapid RTC Live Dealer to engage your customers.